getting some breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to the breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Let's go straight across to it as Mahaghadi Sarkar claims BJP linked to NCB raids in Arun Khan case. India Today has spoken to the alleged whistleblower Neeraj Yadav. He has claimed to tip off the people under lens KP Gosavi and Manish Bhanushali. According to Neeraj Yadav, who is a resident of Bhopal, he was the one who gave information to the BJP worker Manish Bhanushali and private detective Gosavi about this particular rave party on the Mumbai cruise to Goa ship. On 1st of October, BJP worker Manish Bhanushali informed the Narcotics Control Bureau officials about the same. So this is a face-off that is taking place. Alleged whistleblower BJP worker was informed by him by the alleged whistleblower. Mustafa has got more details as far as this is concerned. Mustafa, what do we know as far as the whistleblower is concerned and what was his exact tip-off? If you could just walk our viewers. All right, we'll go to Mustafa in just about a bit. Listen into what Neeraj has to say.
NCB इतनी बड़ी रेड सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी एक टिप ऑफ से कर रही है या कोई और भी उन्होंने कोई काम इस पे किया?
नहीं, इनको मैंने जब जानकारी दी, जो लोग तो सुबह पहुंच गए थे ना शिप पे, उन्होंने पूरा वहाँ जांच पाँच की पूरी, उसके बाद रेड हुई है। रेड स्टार्ट हुई है लगभग 1:30-2 बजे के करीब। बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हुई थी 2 सवा 2 के लगभग। मनीष जी से मेरी लगातार उसके बाद बात होती रही। वो लोग निकले, फिर उनका सुबह मैसेज भी आया।
कहाँ थे उस समय?
उस टाइम अहमदाबाद में थे। उनका मैसेज आया कि हम लोग निकल गए। नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था रास्ते में, तो बातचीत नहीं हो पा रही थी।
उनके साथ और कौन था?
उनके साथ केपी,
वो जो दूसरे गंजे जो,
हाँ वो केपी।
अच्छा, वो दोनों लोग अहमदाबाद से रात को निकले और सुबह जो है मुंबई पहुंचे
6 बजे। ये फिर 7:14 पे मेरी इनसे बात हुई। मैं सो के उठा, फिर मैंने लगाया इनको, आप पहुंचे कि नहीं पहुंचे, तो उन्होंने बोला मैं पहुंच गया हूँ।
फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या बताया?
उसके बाद भी मेरी 2-3 बार बात हुई। उसके बाद 9 बजे 8 बजे ऐसे करके बात हुई। फिर मैंने उनको 10 बजे लगाया। मैंने पूछा आप पहुँच गए कि नहीं पहुँचे जहाँ पे शिप है, तो उन्होंने बोला पहुँच गया, मैं वीडियो कॉल करता हूँ तुझे। तो उन्होंने मुझे वीडियो कॉल करा। वीडियो कॉल पे मुझे शिप दिखाई, पहुंच गए वहाँ पे शिप पे। उन्होंने बोला सारी व्यवस्था हो गई है बस।
अच्छा, उसके बाद उन्होंने आपको अंदर से जब ये कार्रवाई हो रही थी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन जानकारी दी?
हाँ, लगातार मेरी बात हो रही थी उनसे कि अभी तक आए नहीं है, बोर्डिंग चालू नहीं हुई है, टाइम हो गया है।
लगातार जो फोन
लगातार
बार बार क्यों फोन कर रहे थे आपको
कि अभी तक नहीं आया, कोई गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन तो नहीं थी तुम्हारी? मैंने कहा गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी, इन्फॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल सही है।
Mustafa Sheikh is breaking the story on India Today. Mustafa, let me get this straight. There is an alleged whistleblower whose bite we just ran right now. He was the one who tipped the BJP worker who went ahead and tipped the NCB officials. Have we got that right?
Well, yes, it seems to be the case, and it has been mostly the case in many other investigations which happen, be it local police or agencies. They rely on informers who give information, and hence the activities are conducted. Now, what is the role of KP Gosavi and Bhanushali are particularly in consideration because, see, one of the person who gave the tip off, he said that he was in Madhya Pradesh. Now, one has to imagine why Bhanushali would take so much interest and personally reach the cruise, and he has been given the tip off via somebody, and he is not the person who has been tip off, and he reaches there with KP Gosavi, who has 3 criminal cases registered against him at separate police stations in Thane and Mumbai. And not only they are part of the entire raid, they become the witnesses, they also escort the accused. So this is something out of normal which has happened in the case of this cruise and the drug party, and the witnesses, the sources who are now one by one coming forward about how the NCB got a tip-off and their involvement and the videos in which they are being seen. So it is definitely out of the normal thing, and it is not as per the procedure. The NCB claims that all the procedure has been followed, but yes, somewhere it seems that there were people who are enthusiastic in
so
carrying
this is
out
a big
this
showdown that is happening as far as the involvement of these two private citizens is concerned, right? The Mahavikas Aghadi Sarkar, the ruling party in Maharashtra, is taking objection to the fact that the NCB has not followed due procedure.
Well, yes, of course. Involvement of a person who is with the BJP and a private detective has raised eyebrows, and this was brought in by the opposition parties first, that these people who are seen escorting accused are private citizens, and they kept escorting accused not only from the cruise till NCB office, but even later when they were taken for medical tests and other such things. So it really raises a larger question as to the who are the sources and the people who tip off NCB, and whether they do it with a selective mindset, and whether there is a target which is set after which the agency goes behind them. So these are questions which are now tumbling out, and it's looked like that there will be more such people who will come out as informers, as people who have been witnesses, and they can reveal more facts about this case or any other case. So the entire functioning of Mumbai unit of the Narcotics Control Bureau at this point is under the lens, and questions are being raised on the procedures being followed. No doubt that taking action against people who are circulating, buying, consuming drugs is welcomed, but the procedures being followed and to make sure that the law is not misused is something which the NCB will now have to justify at every stage, because even today we saw one lawyer saying that the client was detained for 2 days and he has now been produced today. Though the court found no substance in the allegations, but yes, the people are raising questions on the functioning of the NCB. Back to you.